Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the JavaScript and CSS tips and tricks tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to create a duplicate values, how to highlight a duplicate values in a table using a JavaScript and CSS. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the output. The output is highlight duplicate values in a table. Notice in the name Charan, in the name content Charan is a duplicate values, which is a highlight here, and age we got 28, both are duplicates. And in the city we don't have any duplicates. Let's add one duplicate in this city also. Come back to the coding part. Instead of Delhi I am adding Mumbai. Now let's save this file. Save. We'll check the output again. I'm reloading the browser. For this video tutorial I'm using Visual Studio Code. First let's open our folder, which is a JavaScript tutorials, and here it is. Our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now inside this folder I'm adding one new HTML file called highlight duplicate values.html, and here we got the newly created HTML file is open. Now what I'll do is I'm minimizing this VS Explorer, as well as I'm closing this welcome page, which I don't require. Now let's start the coding part. Now first let's add the doc type, the basic HTML elements I'm adding here. Let's close the HTML doc type. I'm closing the HTML element. And after that I'm adding header section. Inside the header section I'm adding one body element. In the body element I'm adding one center tag, which contains one header, a highlight duplicate values in a table, horizontal line, and the table ID is equals to my table row, table headers name, table headers age, table headers city, and after that table row, table data, which contains some information of the student or employee, whatever it is. Let's add the employee details like N28, table row, Hyderabad, city is Hyderabad. Let's add some more columns here. Just for the demo purpose I am adding 5 records. Charan, let's add Lalita, this is around 23, and this is Bangalore. I'm adding Charan, which is a duplicate record. This is 32, and now instead of Hyderabad I'm adding Mumbai, and Khan, age I'm leaving like that only, and this is again I'm adding Lucknow. I'm intentionally adding some duplicate records. This one I'm adding Ben. Let's add Ben, age around 29, and this one is New Delhi. So if you notice here in this table, the column name Charan contains duplicate, and age contains around duplicate 2020 is there, and city we have also, we don't have any duplicate values in the city. So after the table and center, now it's time to write the script to check any duplicate values in a table, which will highlight function highlight duplicate, h is small. Let's add the h is small, highlight duplicate, which is a function name. Duplicates, define one table ID, constant table is equals to document dot get element by id, which is a table id. Then constant cells is equals to table dot get element by tag name tr. Let's add the td, and td is a table data. We need to highlight the table data. Constant values, I'm defining an array of the values. So for let I is equals to 0, I is less than cells. I'm checking the cells of the length I plus plus, because we have more than one cell. Constant cell is equals to cells array I. Constant cell value we require. Cell value is equals to cell dot text content dot trim. Now we need to check in this for loop only the cell values, any duplicate values or not. So if, let's give some space, if values, these values I'm getting values, cell dot style dot duplicate, not duplicate, background color. I'm changing the background color is equals to, I'm adding black, as well as I'm adding some styles to the text color is equals to white, and else part values, cell value, I'm checking the cell value. If it's not duplicate, I want to print as it is. I'm not adding any styles. Then the final step, we need to highlight duplicate, which is a function name. Here the table ID comes from this my table. Copy this one. This table ID we are dynamically getting, and all the table IDs. That's it. We have done the JavaScript functionality. Now let's add some style element here. Style table, we have only table rows, table data. Border is 1 pixel. Solid color I'm adding blue color. The border color is blue. Text align also center. Font size is large, and padding is 10 pixels. That's it. We have done the complete coding part to check the highlight duplicate values in this table. Let's save this file first. Now we'll check the final output of our application. Open File Explorer. The folder I have created in the E drive, this is the folder name JavaScript-tutorials, and in this folder our file name is highlight duplicate values. Let's open that one. And here we got the output. The output is highlight duplicate values in a table. Notice in the name content Charan is the duplicate values, which is a highlight here, and age we got 28. Both are duplicates. And in the city we don't have any duplicates. Let's add one duplicate in this city also. Come back to the coding part. Instead of Delhi, I am adding Mumbai. Now let's save this file. Save. We'll check the output again. I'm reloading the browser. That's it. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share, and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.